This is another infographic instant with your host Brian Michael. In this episode we'll be looking at estate planning, the next frontier for global financial advisors. As a disclaimer, we should note that the infograph and the data therein do not come from us. They come from other scholars that are cited in the infographic. So please see their original paper for more information. As a reminder, this infographic is part of a broader paper looking at the way that international broker-dealers and private bankers can help increase the amount of wealth under management. We look at the amount of wealth their clients have, and we look at ways of increasing the number of their clients. So, let's turn our attention now to the infographic. And what does it tell us? On the horizontal axis, we see various strata of wealthy individuals from the U.S. And on the vertical axis, we see the percent of households inheriting. So the graph basically shows that for households that have $1 million or more in wealth, they're roughly 4 times more likely to bequest wealth than households that have less than $25,000 in wealth. And not only that, but as you would imagine, the amount of wealth bequested also increases. Therefore, we have an increase in the amount bequested, and we have an increase in the number of bequests for each strata of wealth among the U.S. population. So, what do these data suggest for wealth and financial advisors generally? Well, recalling that there's 2 broad areas of wealth management. The first is asset management, putting money into stocks, bonds, other investments. And an increasing tendency in the wealth management industry are fee-based services. So we're looking at helping clients arrange for education, tax planning, providing insurance, and one of the pillars in the fee-based area, of course, is estate planning. So if these data continue, of course, estate planning will represent a bulwark of financial advisor activity in the United States. But more importantly, when you look at these data in combination with data we've provided previously about the increase in the number of affluent households, particularly in emerging markets, we see how this could represent a very large market opportunity for international wealth managers looking to enter into emerging markets. So in countries like Mexico, Russia, South Africa, Argentina, though to a lesser extent now because of the crisis, we see that as the affluent class increases, their need for the transfer of wealth across generations will also rise, and this will provide a very important opportunity for wealth managers. This has been another infographic instant with your host, Brian Michael.